Okay, students, see everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about Python project. So you can use Visual Studio, but I'm using normal. I'm doing like first of all, I'm going to create one folder Python CI/CD. I'm taking one folder Python CI/CD. Okay. Next, I'm opening it. So in that, I'm going to create total 3 files. The first file name called 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 first of all I'm writing a code for it. So total 2 functions, I am taking 3 functions. It is going to take 2 parameters. Okay. And when I call this function, it is going to return a plus b. Next, like that, one more function called subtraction function. When I call it, it is going to return a minus b. And the last function I'm going to take mul function. Total 20 to 30 minutes it is going to take. Students, listen carefully. Return a into b. And now I'm taking a if condition underscore name. It is going to give the module called main equals to underscore main. When these both are satisfied, students, when these both are satisfied, it means the code is going to execute start from here. Okay, immediately I'm writing print statements. Total 3 print statement. 3 print statements. In the first print I am writing addition is comma object 1. This is a call as object 1. Next object 2 I am writing as I am calling that function with the values called 10 comma 5. Okay. Next I'm calling the one more function. I'm calling it as students subtraction is simple code. I'm taking subtraction. Okay. Next multiplication is comma mul 10 comma 5. Okay, you know very well about this code, students. So I am saving this code desktop Python CI/CD and saving it as Python add.c or else I'm writing addition.c. Sorry, we can write arithmetic. arth.c I'm writing. Arithmetic, sorry, py. Select all files, save. Clear? The first step is completed. I saved this code. Now I am executing this code, whether it is running perfectly or not. Yes, the code is running perfectly. Now the next code I am writing. This is clear, everyone. The first step I am written one sample Python code. Now I have to write the test cases for it. Okay, for that I am going to take one more Python file. I am saving this file name as arth test.py test file. I want to write what is CI/CD students? You have to write a code, you have to compile it, and you have to test the code also. Test code, now I am writing students, test code arth test.py, all files, save. Okay, 2 files I am going to create. This is a second file. Students, before going to write a code, first of all, I'm going to import this particular one, this particular code to here. How to import? How to import? From, what's the module name? What is the module name? This module name, please tell me. ARTH. ARTH module name from ARTH. From ARTH. Import star. So what it means? From this, all the methods will come. Yes or no? From ARTH, import star. Next, students, I'm going to import one module called import unit test. Import unit test, you have to import. If it is not there, students, go to command prompt. If it is not there, go to your command prompt and just type pip install unit test. Pip install unit test, that's it. It is going to run. It is going to show you whether it is not there, it is going to install. Getting everyone? Okay. Listen carefully, Amma. This module you have to install, everyone. Defaulting side package is not there, so we can update this one. Okay. So in my So in my what is it? Python interpreter, I'm having this unit test. You can check it out like this. Unit test. Unit test is there. Okay. So it is there. It is coming means it is coming to the next line means it is there. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, here. So no error is coming. Unit test is there, right? Now after that, create one class. The class name is called arithmetic test. In the bracket you write down. Students, see, in the bracket what you have to write is from the unit test package, import test case. From unit test package, import test case. It is a predefined class. In this, it is a module. In this module, you have the class called what? Test case class. So what it means? This particular class extends which class? Test case class. So it is going to take all this content. Next, definition. Now I told, right, all the test cases, the same function, whatever the functions you are having in front of them, just add students define underscore. Before that, just write down here define underscore test underscore. That's it. And here also you write down. Test underscore and return a minus b definition of that function. Here also write down test underscore. Okay, got it everyone? What I'm writing? It is your user defined class extends test class of unit test module. And here, students, here in the when the class is coming, students, there are important module will come, are important function. The function we can call a self function. Self function is used to access the information of present class which is running. It is same as to this keyword in Java. How this keyword will work in Java about like present class, like that here it is going to work. Self dot assert equal equal. In that you have to write you have to call that function. Call which function you should call here? You called you imported some functions, right? Add 10 comma 5, that should be equal to, in the place of that 15 results, 15 is going to be replaced, and here you should replace. You should add 15. It means here 15 will come. 15 will come when both are true, students. The test case is passed. The test case is passed here. Now next one, self assert equal add subtraction. What the result will come? 10 comma 5. What the result will come, students? Minus 5. 5 will come. So that should be equal. This test case also is going to be passed. The next one, I'm writing here multiplication and 10 comma 5. It means how much? 50. So it is going to call this in this class, whatever the functions are there. It will go here and it will calculate 10 plus 5 is 15. The result will come back, and this 15 both are true. Test case 1 is passed. Clear, everyone? How I am writing test cases? Next one, students. Here again, if you want to execute this code, here also you write down if underscore underscore name equals to students underscore underscore main. Okay, and simple here you have to call here unit test dot main. Okay, students, completed successfully the code. Yes, students, listen, everyone. What is the meaning of this? I told you. What's the meaning of this main function? It is searching for which class extended, which class inherited test case class. Which class inherited test case class? It is going to find out. After find out, it is going to check in this how many test methods are there. It is going to execute one by one. Okay. Say double equals to expected indentation. Yeah, students, you can see here successfully all test cases passed. See here, how many dots you got? 3 you got. 3 means yes, here the answer is correct because 10 comma 5, the return 15 will come. 15 comma 15, 5 comma 5, 50 comma. For example, here I'm writing 150. Here I'm writing 150. You can check it out now. Just execute the code. You see only first test cases failed. Second 2 test cases are passed. Getting, everyone? So in order to pass all the test cases, what you have to write, students? 15. Getting, everyone? Hello, students? Getting? Yeah. So successfully, we did total 2 codes successfully. In this, yes, arithmetic.py is completed. Arithmetic test.py is completed. Code is completed. Test is completed. Now you have to write, students, the very important that one requirement.txt you should create. The one more file you should create, that is students, you write here PyTest. Simply write down PyTest. In order to run your testing in your computer, students, you should install this PyTest. Hello, PyTest kuda install cheyali meeru. Okay, so just save it. Go to desktop, Python CI/CD. Just write down here requirement.txt. All files, all types, save. Yes, successfully all I did, students. I created total 3 files. The first file name is this one, arts.py. Second file name is test file. Third file name is requirement.txt. Okay, now what is your job? Just go to GitHub. Go to GitHub and push it. Go to GitHub and push it. I'm taking the new repository. Python CI/CD. Python CI/CD. CI/CD is created. Now go to this folder. Git cmd. Git init. Git status. Total 3 files will come. Now git add dot git branch, sorry, git branch git commit -m. Write down here Python CI/CD post commit. Enter. Now check the branch name. Check the branch name. What you got? Master. So what we should do now? Charlie. If you got master, students, what we should do? Charlie? Huh? What we should do? Git branch -m main. Now your master branch is renamed as a main. Git branch branch. Git branch. Now master branch renamed as a main. Clear everyone? Next git. I want to push right now. I want to push means I require this particular one. Copy. Paste here. What the syntax you should write? Git remote add origin. After that, just paste it. I successfully connected. Git push -u origin main. Now all the content is going to push it from local repository to the remote repository. Yes? Clear everyone? Next, what you have to do, students? What you have to do? Mchal. Next, open Jenkins. Now open Jenkins. cmd java space -jar space. My file name is Jenkins2, students. Why I am typing Jenkins2? Because in my computer the file name is Jenkins2. If it is Jenkins, you can type Jenkins. So my file name is Jenkins2. I am typing Jenkins2. Okay. Okay, Jenkins2.web. That's it. Now successfully my Jenkins is going to be start soon. Okay. Now next, students, go to localhost :8080. It is opening. The Jenkins is loading. Just wait. Your Jenkins is loaded. Now I'm creating a new item. Python CI/CD. Calculator. Click on pipeline. Okay. Click on pipeline. Okay. Click on pipeline. Okay. Students, see, I'm writing the code outside. Later I'm going to paste inside. I'm writing pipeline script. pipeline script. Just 2 minutes, very important. This is important. How I am writing code, this is important. Pipeline script. Okay. Pipeline started. Pipeline is ended. Clear? Next, what is there? After starting of pipeline, what should write? Agent should be declared. That should be any agent. Agent any. Agent any means your pipeline is executed by the any agent which is free in your computer. I told right where agents are will be there. I told right in go to manage Jenkins, there you can see the no agents. Next agent any. After that you should write stages. After stages, students, here you should write down students stage. The first stage I'm going to write in this is steps. In stage, the first what the job I want to execute, that is git access. I want to give through to Jenkins, I want to give git access. How to write it? Students? Just type the git command space, the branch name of your that one is what? Main. You should mention single quotes or double quotes here, comma, URL. What's the URL of mine? What's the URL of students? This is a URL. Just copy and paste here within single quotes. Clear, everyone? Students, are you seeing? So first stage is completed. First stage is telling that. First stage, what it is telling students? Get access to this particular account, and the branch name is what, students? Main. Next, students, successfully I connected to this. The next stage will be very important. Each and everyone try to understand. Second stage, I want to write about check the Python version. Check the Python version. Maybe your computers may not having the proper version. Which version you want to know means simply in the place of this what you're going to write, students, simply apply the bat command, batch command. Here you should apply within the single quotes, just write down Python space version. It is going to tell you the Python version, and if the Python version is the old version, you should update to the new version, Python version updating. Update Python version. So how to update Python? This first job is connected to the GitHub. Second step is Python version. Third step is what, students? Python version update I am doing here. So how to update Python version, students? Simple. Python space -m. -m and a module. Module pip install pip -upgrade pip, like this you would write. Clear, everyone? Students, only this command is enough, but you are writing in Jenkins. I'm executing this particular command with the help of Python interpreter, and I'm applying the command called m. And after that, students, m means module. Module and end students, m tarvata compulsory you should write as a module. It is a module. This module, what it is going to do is upgrading your Python. If Python you are having pip version is old one, it is going to update. And here also you write down one more step, that is pip version also you should write down pip version, which pip version you are having. After this, again you write down which pip version you got after upgrade, which pip version you got. Clear? The next stage, students. Okay, next stage, that is install requirements. What is the requirements I did here, students? Requirement.txt. Here see. Here I written only one file. Requirement.txt, students. In this file, there is only one module you mention. One module. you should install here. So how to install? Python M5. Okay. Simple students, that also. Okay, Python M. After that, Python module. Which module I am taking here? It is pip module. I am taking pip install -r. -r means I am reading the file name called requirements.txt. What it means is read requirement.txt. Yes, in requirement.txt, what the content is there? PyTest is there. So this PyTest is going to be installed by the pip command with the help of Python interpreter. Try to understand. Okay. So successfully I connected Git. Successfully Python versions are checked. Successfully Python upgraded and pip version is coming, and I installed this one also. And next one, I require very important students. I require very much important one, that is install PyInstaller. PyInstaller I should require PyInstaller. What is the use of PyInstaller is, students? It is going to give you .exe file. .exe file. I told it artifacts, jar, these are all artifacts. So it is going to give you that one. So pip install, just write down here, PyInstaller. That's it, PyInstaller. Pip install are getting everyone. Why PyInstaller I am installing? To convert your code into .exe. How we created in Maven project, how you created jar file. Here you are going to create .exe file. Getting everyone? .exe file మనకు output రావాలి. So here you install requirement.txt. Okay, here requirement.txt. Yes, this particular software also installed because to run unit test. Next step, students. Next step, that is next one, that is install. Not install. Everything is completed. Now run unit test. How to run unit test? Python. Here you should write down Python unit test of, what is our file name? Unit test file name ఏంటమ్మా? What is the file name? ఇది పెట్టండి. Copy. Just write down here unit test .py. .py. Yes. Okay. Unit test Python M unit test arithmetic test.py. This code is going to be run. Whatever the test code I am written. After that, so these also completed. Unit testing also completed. And the last one, students, the last job that is create exe file. Exe file man create after running successfully all the test cases. After running this job is going to run. Here you should use the syntax of this one. Students, here everyone is going to do mistake here. Andar chudandi ikkada. What is there here? PyInstaller. Why I told this one? To create .exe file. So ikkada మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు అని అంటే, by using that module, in that module there is a predefined class is there, Python installer, PInstaller. Try to understand. Here this is a class. Here this is a module. Try to understand. ఇది క్లాస్ అమ్మా, ఇదేంటి మాడ్యూల్. PyInstaller -one file, and I created the file name is called if test cases all successfully done means I'm going to copy this. Please create .exe for this file. .exe for this file, students. ఇక టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ అన్ని పాస్ అవుతాయి కదా మనకి. After passing all the test cases, now you should create .exe for this file, because this is our file, right? This is our output, right? Okay. Now successfully done, students. Up to here your code is done. Okay, our stage is also done. If your Jenkins is given, success, failure, always, why I'm writing this one is, students, why I'm writing this one is, ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ కి మీకు జెన్కిన్స్ జాబ్ అయినాక మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? సక్సెస్ అని వస్తుంది కదా. సో అది సక్సెస్ అంటే ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది అంటే ఇందులోకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత మీరు రాయాలి. ఏం రాయాలి? ఎక్కువ ఏం రాయాలి? జాబ్ ఇస్ pipeline is success and what is created? exe is created. Yes or no? And if job is failed, అప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి మీరు? pipeline is not success. Okay, when success is done, it will come to the always. Okay, entire job is completed. That's it, students. Completed my pipeline. Just copy this code and where you have to paste here. Indulo paste cheyandi. Yes, students, successfully completed. Getting everyone? ఒకసారి అందరు చూడండి. Everyone, what is the first job? Git access. Second job, Python version. Third job, Python version update. The fourth job, install requirements. This one. Next one, Python installer. Yes, I installed. Next unit test run చేస్తున్నాను. ఇవన్నీ రన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్ exe file for this with the help of py installer. Okay, now let us execute the code. Apply, save. Now build now. Just check everyone on the pipeline చూడండి. Let us check everyone how it is going to be run. First step, git access. What the code you written in that, it is going to run. It is a pipeline job number 1. Pipeline job number 1 is successfully executed. Job 2, Python version successfully executed. Second one, Python version update. That is failed. Third job is failed. It means I did a mistake. In there. What the mistake? Go to configure. What the mistake? Let us see. So ఇది రన్ కావట్లేదు మనకి. Why it is not running? Here the mistake. Python m pip hyphen upgrade pip. What happened is, how to upgrade Python, students? Install upgrade pip. Let us execute again. Again running. Git access. ఇక్కడ వరకు వెళ్ళాలి. లాస్ట్ వరకు వెళ్తే మీకు .exe ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. Yeah, successfully correct syntax. Next, install requirements. Yeah, install requirements is wrong. Okay. What happened? Install requirements. Spelling is spelling mistake. What I written here? Requirement.txt. Sorry, ఇక్కడ update చేయాలి. What's the mistake, students? Requirement.txt. I should go to there. What I should update here? Requirement కాదది, requirement.txt. Apply, save, build now. A successfully installed requirements also executed. Okay. Yes, install PyInstall also executed. Now it is running unit test. Unit test also executed. Now create exe file. Roaming. Because it is taking long time for create exe file. I will show the output for same. Check the logs here. What is happening? See students. Building package. Are you seeing everyone? Hello. It is building package. See, still it is executing. Yes, successfully our job is completed. Understand? Just 1 minute. Just check the output, everyone. How it is executed. How this entire process executed. Okay. Console output. Let us check. Student, everyone. First access to this Git account. Yes. Next Python version we got. Yes. Next pip version is 26.2.1. Yes. After that it is upgraded successfully. After that also my pip version is what? 26.2.1 only. And I install requirement.txt. Requirement already satisfied means already my software is there. PyTest is there. Next one Python m pip install PyInstaller. Okay, it is installed successfully. PyInstaller also. And you can see here students successfully all the test cases are passed. 3 test cases are passed. And after that students here I'm creating which one? By using PyInstaller arts.py. I'm creating .exe file. Yes, it is checking where my PyInstaller, the version. After that, I'm packing all. See, a pyjet is completed successfully. ARTS package, copying icon to exe. Now you can see students where this particular file is. Where this file is there. Just student location చూడండి అందరూ మీరు కూడా కాపీ చేసుకోవాలి ఎగ్జామ్ లో. Check the location, copy and just go to your browser and just write down here, just paste, enter. Yes, see here everyone. What the file is there? arts.exe. This is your output. If you execute, if you open this, no Python code, only output will come directly. Getting everyone? So this is we can called as students what? Python. 1 second.